nice, beautiful day. What should I do? My bell smells like... I need to go tell Mr. Pickles I'm sneezing. Oh, my new place here. Mr. Pickles, I'm sneezing. What kind of sneezing? I'm, uh, uh, sorry, Mr. Pickles. I'm gonna tell Creeper about the problem. I have a sneezing problem. Then stay away from me. But I'm gonna, please don't, I already prefer, please. No, I'm sneezing on everyone. I'm gonna go tell Chespin. I have a sneezing problem. Well, you can't figure out that sort of film. I mean, I'm too busy eating my nails. Run. I'm out. Chill. Yeah, like no one's there. Chill. Wait, what if I sneeze down? That'll help. Sneeze down one more time. Chill. Did the earth just move down? Yes, it did. What if I sneeze upwards?